Morning, we're back for another Disney video. Justin's here again, so hopefully I can actually finish the video this time. I'm not like dead tired this time. So we're gonna spend the whole day at Magic Kingdom. We're not gonna do all 4 parks, so hope you enjoy today's video. Alright, so funny story, as you saw, we got on the monorail and we made our way to Magic Kingdom. And then as we were getting on the monorail, as we were pulling away from the platform, I realized I don't have my Magic Band that has my ticket to get in the park. So we had to wait and go all the way back here. We had to go all the way back to the car and go get that, and then we'll go back to the park. Got it. Lock it up. Sketchy part of town. Alright, now we're heading to the park. So we finally made it into the park after having to go all the way back to the car.
It's so empty over here.
I know, really, it's kind of empty today. It's pretty sweet. Not gonna complain.
Yeah.
But, our first Fast Pass is Buzz Lightyear. It started like 20 minutes ago. We're a little late, my bad. But so, here we go. We're walking down Main Street and heading over to Buzz Lightyear.
Look at the camera. Pancake!
Some quick service food. Cosmic rays, and then continue on with our day.
Lords and ladies,
Making food plans, and something's going on.
come one, come all,
They're just called
to the
Princess.
Royal Friendship Fair.
Yo, Mickey Mouse.
What a great day!
Okay, so it's literally like 11, almost probably noon now, and it's completely empty in the park. Like, look at this. This is great. I hope everything has a short line. I hope everything.
Sector 9. Various criminals sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance, the evil Emperor Zurg.
I have 100 points.
Cavalry robots are Zurg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannons.
200 points. Burning up. We need to get these things up there. Those are worth a lot, I think.
And your little green friends too.
Yeah, I have 2,000 points.
Oh no! I did it! I freaking did it!
I can't believe you. I guess we can just spin now.
So keep your eyes peeled. Prototype Community of Tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney. You into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century.
Why
Tour begins
One of these two. I think it's this one. I don't know.
here where you see paintings of some of our guests as
Smells
they
like a dog in
appear
there.
in their corruptible, mortal state. Of course, there's always my way.
My leg!
I do.
Riding Splash Mountain this time. We got the front row, so we're probably gonna get soaked. That was close. No, not a picture.
What a wonderful view.
Yeah, I'm a little wet. We're a little wet.
Yeah, just a tad.
We made it down the
Just a
drop.
tad.
We survived. Had to get a real drop. Had to be a real little dome.
Oh my god, here's a big drop.
Water comes over the boat. We get completely soaked.
Just soaks up.